Excuse me, let me just
Okay.
How far now? Do you remember my face? I remember now.
Oh, Scurry, how far?
How far that is?
I'm fine.
You don't find.
I've been now. You said, see you now.
I didn't find it.
No, like I came here with someone. I'm all fresh.
This is my house now.
She fresh. Wow. So what are you doing for your living now?
Politician.
Wow. Let's enter now. Let me see your house.
Wait, I'll wait for my driver now. So I don't think to me go do my key.
You're my schoolmates now.
Oh, it's your schoolmates. Okay.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, my brother, how are you? This is my house.
This is my schoolmate house now. Like, what are you telling me?
This is your house. This is my house.
Huh?
Yeah, this is my house.
No.
What do you mean?
Oh, Mr. Mo, what are you trying to say now? This is his house now.
Yes.
Look at this girl.
Like, you know that's how you did at the E3. Like, not even allow us to finish our food. I am trying to tell him that we should go to your house.
This is my own house.
No, this is not your house.
It is my sweat, it's my house. This is rubbish. Lalai.
Yes.
This is my house.
No.
It is my house. Okay, it's your house.
Yes.
Alright, I'm coming. Alright. I will show you. Hello? Yeah. Sonny,
Trouble.
look, I'm at the front of my house now. I met one stupid man. He was telling me that it's his house. Yes. I'm in Nigeria right now. Yes, I'm in Nigeria. Yes.
That's how they do.
Okay. You better do that now. Do that now. You know me. Okay. You know what I can do? Yes. Alright, okay. Alright. Okay. You will call the person, Abi? Okay, call the person right now. I'm waiting. Yes, I'm waiting. Yes, I'm waiting.
I'm waiting.
I'm waiting.
Hey, excuse me. Hello, sir.
Hello, Scooty. Scooty, where are you? Where are you right now?
What is this, sir?
The owner of the building is at the entrance. They tell you to secure somewhere. You are busy there messing around. Where are you? We are go there right away. I don't want soldier wallow.
Okay, the man is soldier.
The man just come from abroad now, telling me someone is denying him of his house. Go and open the gate right away.
Hey. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. The man is soldier. I don't die you. You. Hey, Awa. Hey.
What are you trying to do?
Hey.
Wait now.
Wait for what?
But we're coming here together now.
To this house?
Yes, now.
Please get away.
Like now.
I said go away.
Ọmọ ẹlẹ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Dìde ńlẹ̀ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀lẹ̀.